Good morning, students. Today we'll start with a new chapter, that is changes around us. You see, children, changes take place around us all the time. There are some things which do not change at all, like for the sun or the moon. They do not change. There is no change in them. But most of the things in this universe, they keep on changing with the passage of time. There are changes. Some of the changes will appear. Some of the changes we are not able to see them. Okay, for example, a rock appears to be same, but slowly you all know that after thousands of years it becomes a part of the soil. Then in the same way, the sun always appears to be the same, but the scientists believe that that is not the case. The sun is a huge ball of fire, and the surface of sun keeps on changing continuously. Even the stars appear to be twinkling objects, but each star is actually, you all know that it is a big sun itself. Some of the stars, they are even larger than the sun. And why do they appear twinkling or small? Because they are very far away from us. So in the same way, let us take the example of a seed. You all know that the seed, first when you sow the seed, slowly a sapling comes out from the seed. Then slowly a plant, and finally the plant grows into a tree. So it is a very slow change. So you can see here that a change has taken place, and we will see what are the effects that can be observed when there is a change. The first change that we can see is the change in color. Now, change in color. For example, if you take fruits, by looking at the color of the fruits, you can say that this mango, it is a raw mango, and this is a ripe mango. Okay, so how did you see the change? By looking at the color, we can say that there is a change. In the same way, when you all are young, your hair is black, but when people grow older, from the color, change in the color, you can say that this person has become older. The second one is the change in the size. Change in the size. You all children, when you were born, you all were so small babies, but now you all have grown big enough. Your clothes do not fit. So what is the reason? The reason is that what happened to your size? Your size has increased. Okay, then the next one is change in shape. There are some changes which occurs by change in shape, like for example a bud. You must have often noticed that first there is a bud, and slowly the bud blooms into a flower. So what is it? You will see that there is a change in the shape. Then there is a change in the position. For example, when you play football, what happens to the position of the ball? The position of the ball keeps on changing continuously. The hands of the clock, it keeps on changing continuously. The next one is change in physical state. Physical state means, for example, if you take a container, fill it with water and keep it in the freezer. After 2 to 3 hours, there is a change in its physical state. Why? First, it was a liquid, and from liquid, it has frozen to form ice. So there is a change in physical state from liquid to solid. Then change in hardness. Fresh bread is soft, but it becomes hard when you make a toast. Batter of cake is soft, but its hardness changes when it is baked into a cake. Okay, children? So here one activity is given. You have to take a cup of raw moong dal or chickpeas. Moong dal, okay? The one which is green in color. Try pressing one of it with your thumb. When you try to press it, how does it feel? It feels very hard. Now what you have to do, you have to soak this moong dal in water for few hours. And after soaking it in water for few hours, what you have to do? You have to press it again. What will you see? Is there a change in hardness? Yes, it will become soft. And if you cook it, it will become even more softer. Clear, children? So this experiment you can do at home very easily. So for today we will wind up, children. We'll continue in the next class. Till then, have a nice day.